नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल में। और फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, ये MS एक्सेल क्लास 3 है। इसमें हम MS एक्सेल के कुछ 20 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ कैन यू शो और हाइड द ग्रिड लाइंस इन एक्सेल वर्कशीट? The first option is go to tools, then option, then view tab and mark or remove the checkbox named grid line. Number 2, click grid line tool on forms toolbar, both of above or none of above. The right answer of this question is both of above. Question number 2, what happens when you press Ctrl plus X after selecting some cells in Excel? The options are the cell content of selected cell disappears from cell and stored in clipboard. Number 2, the cells selected are marked for cutting. Number 3, the selected cells are deleted and the cells are shifted left. The selected cells are deleted and cells are shifted up. The right answer of this question is number 2. The cells selected are marked for cutting. Question number 3, which command will you choose to convert a column of data into row? Cut and paste, transpose, both of above or none of above. The right answer of question number 3 is number 2, transpose. Question number 4, you can auto fit the width of column by double clicking on the column name on column header, double click on the cell pointer in worksheet, double clicking on column right border on column header, double clicking on the column left border of column header. The right answer of question number 4 is number 3, double clicking on column right border on column header. Question number 5, long text can be broken down into many lines within a cell. You can do this through wrap text in format and then cells, justify in edit and cell, text wrapping in format then cells, or all of above. The right answer of question number 5 is wrap text in format and then cells. Question number 6, Ctrl plus D shortcut key in Excel will open the font dialog box, apply double underline for the active cell, fill down in the selection, or none of above. The right answer of question number 6 is 3, fill down in the selection. Question number 7, the shortcut key Ctrl plus R is used in Excel to right align the content of cell, remove the cell contents of selected cells, fill the selection with active cell to the right, or none of above. The right answer of question number 7 is number 3, fill the selection with active cells to the right. Question number 8, to remove the content of selected cells you must issue dash command, delete, clear content, clear all, or clear delete. The answer of this question number 8 is clear contents, number 2. Question number 9, while finding and replacing some data in Excel, which of the following statement is valid? You can find and replace within the sheet or workbook. Excel does not have option to match case for find. Both are valid, none are valid. The right answer of question number 9 is number 1. You can find and replace within the sheet or workbook. Question number 10, Excel workbook is a collection of dash and dash, worksheet and chart, graphs and image sheets and image, video and audio. The right answer of this question is number 1, worksheet and charts. Question number 11, what type of chart is useful for comparing values over categories? Is it bar graph, column chart, pie chart, or line graph? The right answer of question number 11 is number 2, column chart. Question number 12, in Excel, to open the format cells dialog box, press Enter plus I, Ctrl plus Shift plus I, Enter plus V, or Ctrl plus 1. The right answer of question number 12 is number 4, Ctrl plus 1. Question number 13, in Excel term refers to a specific set of values saved with the workbook. It is range, trend line, but if analysis, or scenario. The right answer is scenario, number 4. Question number 14, in which tab you will find auto sum button in MS Excel? Is it in formatting tab, standard tab, or clipboard tab, or formulas tab? The right answer of question number 14 is 4, formulas tab. Question number 15, which of the following is an active cell in Excel? Current cell, formula, range or cell address? The right answer of question number 15 is number 1, current cell. Question number 16. Spreadsheets are created in MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel or MS SS. The right answer of question number 16 is MS Excel, number 3. Question number 17. Which is the shortcut key to switch between two workbooks? Is it Ctrl plus semicolon, Shift plus semicolon, Enter plus semicolon, Ctrl plus Enter plus semicolon? The right answer of question number 17 is number 1, Ctrl plus semicolon. Question number 18. Statistical calculation and preparation of tables and graphs can be done using Adobe Photoshop, Excel, Notepad or PowerPoint. The right answer of question number 18 is Excel. Question number 19. In Excel, columns are labeled as A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, A1, A2, number 4, $A, $1, $A, $2. The right answer of question number 19 is number 1, ABC. Question number 20. MS Excel is based on Windows, DOS, Unix or Linux? Number 1, Windows. So फ्रेंड्स, ये थे आज के 20 क्वेश्चन। होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर फ्रेंड्स वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। एंड फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप जीके पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल HPGK को सब्सक्राइब करें, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। थैंक्स फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग।